Imagine transforming your home just minutes from the iconic TPC Sawgrass. Whether upgrading your kitchen or adding a spa-like bathroom, we blend elegance with durability. Our modern kitchens showcase sleek cabinetry and minimalist design for coastal elegance. Imagine a contemporary bathroom where luxury meets functionality, perfect for relaxation. Experience our minimalist living rooms with warm wooden paneling and modern aesthetics. Our designs include cozy study areas, merging comfort with productivity. Enjoy harmonious home interiors where every detail counts, even the smallest ones. From DIY projects to professional renovations, we ensure quality in every brushstroke. In our homes, personal spaces are designed for tranquility and self-care. Even the simplest details, like a chair, add elegance and coziness to your home. Our goal is to create spaces where luxury feels like home, and every corner tells a story. With hurricane season approaching, let us fortify your home without compromising beauty. We adhere strictly to building codes, ensuring safety and compliance in all renovations.